Okay, Hatha Yoga. What is Hatha Yoga? This earlier part of Raja Yoga is called Hatha Yoga. 10 commandments, yama, niyama, asana, and pranayama is considered Hatha Yoga. I have everything explained in this book about Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga involves making the body strong so it can be utilized for meditation. So it involves proper diet, proper exercises, proper elimination, proper breathing, and proper rest. All this diet, cleansing, everything is explained here. And all the position of yoga is explained in this book. What is Hatha Yoga? Ha and Ta, sun and moon. Hatha Yoga means balancing energy within the body, positive and negative energy that could be managed by proper diet, proper exercise, proper breathing, proper rest. This is Hatha Yoga. When did Hatha Yoga start? Raj Yoga started thousands of years ago. Patanjali wrote the textbook 200 BC. Raja Yoga, that Patanjali brought out all the steps, it actually began uh, uh, like 1300 years ago. Not 1380. The first textbook was written, is called Hatha Yoga Pradipika. So more than 700 years ago, basic Hatha Yoga was known. Until then, Patanjali brought out general concept. Then around 1650, two other textbooks were written, Gherand Samhita and Shiva Samhita. So these are the textbook that teaches real yoga, control of breath, kundalini and everything. That is 1600, 1700, so almost 400 years ago. Now, all the yoga that became popular, that called Hatha Yoga, it came much, much later. So one teacher called Krishnamacharya in 1888 in South India, he started the movement elaborating exercises of yoga, and he had several disciples. One of them was Iyengar. He was famous. Another teacher was Shivanand, who lived in 1887 in Himalayas. He prepared many teachers like Swami Vishnudevanand, who was in Valmorin and a couple places in Ireland, and Swami Sachidanand. He has ashram in West Virginia. So these two teachers brought out yoga aspect. Some of the teachers who brought out Vedanta from him, and that is called Chinnamayanand, who did mission. He has mission around the world. In Dallas itself, he has 3 missions where they do lots of service. So this is what the tradition is. Later on, what came was heart yoga, right? And then power yoga and chair yoga and all kind of yoga. They are diluted forms of yoga. Besides that, Kripalu, my teacher, he was born in 1913 and died in 1381. He stayed with us in Ocean City for 1 month. He prepared one monk disciple who made University of Yoga in Ahmedabad, 2 schools. And he spread the message. He's still spreading the message. And his other disciples are monks. My brother and myself came in this country. My brother did advertising and spreading the message. Okay. This is all about Hatha Yoga. So Hatha Yoga is the foundation for Raja Yoga. So those who believe in Raja Yoga, many of them are monks. They don't practice any discipline of diet or anything else. They believe only in meditation. They can succeed if they have deep desire. But in general, Hatha Yoga is a tool. If you get stuck on Hatha Yoga, that will be hindrance. So use Hatha Yoga as a means to go into Raja Yoga. So body is like a vehicle. In the scriptures they describe, I put in the books also, body is like chariot. 5 senses are 5 horses. Mind is the reins. Intellect is the driver. And self is the master. So we have to use all the faculties. That is, use the body, use the senses, use the mind, use the intellect, but remain as a master. So this is the ultimate message of Hatha Yoga and Raja Yoga. Okay.